How to fix Instagram map not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram map not showing. So let's get started. If you didn't know, Instagram map is a new feature added on Instagram using which you can see your friend's location and they can see yours. And when you head over to the messages here at the top right, you'll be able to see a globe icon. You can simply click on it and just share or see your friend's location. But if you're not able to see that option, the problem might be that your Instagram application is not updated or that feature has not reached your region yet. So to fix that, you gotta simply head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and if you're able to see the update option here, simply click on it and update the application and the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, what you can do is simply head over to Instagram and then you gotta click on your profile here at the bottom right. And then you got to click on these three horizontal lines and then simply head over and scroll to the bottom, click on log out and then log in again. Sometimes refreshing the application just fixes the issue. But if the problem is still there and you're not able to see the Instagram map again, like if your friends have it, but you don't, then you got to simply head over to settings over here and then scroll to privacy and security. Here, you got to click on location services. Scroll down and you'll be able to see Instagram. Now you can see Instagram does not have my location access. What you can do is simply either switch to always while using the app or ask next time or when I share. So once you do so, your issue would be resolved and you'll be able to see the Instagram map after a while. So that is how you can fix Instagram map not showing. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.